that statue here would be Mr. Samuel de Champlain, the one we saw on the mural, the founder of the city of Quebec. This place is also renowned for its street artists. They do actually rent spots here, they pay for that. And you could see all kinds of crazy stuff happening. But for now, let's head to one amazing viewpoint that outlooks the St. Lawrence River. And just imagine back in the days that this would be their observation point in order for them to spot any incoming friend or enemy boat for the sakes of war. And now, another one of my favorites. What have I been doing in this solo travel? Lots of uphills. What am I about to do? More stairs and uphills. So the Governors Promenade promises 310 steps to reach the high point. And you know what? These are additional 300 steps I'm about to take. Don't give up, not even halfway through. So this promenade was opened on September 9th, 1960 by the then Prime Minister Diefenbacher. I mean, the view is getting even better. In case I did not mention it, that would be the St. Lawrence River. Let's continue. Even more stairs. 310, Pat. 310. We're almost there. More stairs. And that concludes it. I must say, compared to whatever I climbed in my past 5 days hikes, that was a piece of cake. But my legs and my glutes have been so sore, even looking at them is painful. I kid you not. Every single muscle from my waist down is just painful. But hey, that's okay. I prepared well for that. everything you see here are part of the Plains of Abraham, or in French, les Plaines d'Abraham. And right across, we can see the fortification walls, as well as we're gonna be seeing the citadel. So just picture that, some 250 years ago, 240 years ago, French and British soldiers met on these plains. For what was to become their ultimate battle between France's troops and the British troops. Now, back in these days, Quebec was still called the New France, la Nouvelle France, and it requested help from the French king, which made a different choice. Instead of sending troops to help rescue the Nouvelle France, or the New France, he decided to send them to the United States. And there's a movie, a very famous movie about that. It's called The Patriot, with Mel Gibson. So somehow the French were let down at the cost of a bigger geopolitical play between the King of France and the King of England. And it happened south of the border in the United States, which ended up with the French soldiers being hugely outnumbered, and they lost the battle. If I'm not mistaken, the leaders, the generals that led the final battles were Montcalm from the French side and Wolfe from the British side. All this to say that sometimes decisions of people thousands of miles away affect the destiny of others located on the other side of the globe. Now let's go and head towards the citadel. I love tunnels and I love passageways. And here we are, right across the gate that I showed you in our yesterday's video. So if you did not watch it, make sure to head there. It's an evening video, the lighting is beautiful. And now, off to discover the National Assembly of Quebec and the beautiful monuments and gardens surrounding it. With this, what a beautiful way to conclude my visit to Quebec City, sitting next to René Lévesque, the national symbol of Quebec's sovereign movement. This was a beautiful solo adventure tour. 5 days so intense, it does feel like it's a month. I've changed so many sceneries, from the countryside to raw nature to the city. I just feel like I've been taken by a whirlwind. I'm very grateful that you have been watching and following me. And should you have any ideas or any information you would like, or in order to give me more advice to improve my work, drop them in the comments below. As for now, it is with a heart full of happiness and emotion that I shall head back home, take a rest, and start editing a ridiculous amount of footage. I hope I'm able to transfer to you what I'm feeling myself, and I hope I'm able to show you the beauty in everything. And I hope I make you dream, or I give you the taste of come and visit. Quebec will definitely have its own series, the City of Quebec. I'll definitely do something more detailed and more elaborate than a day and a half. As for now, after 3 hours drive, I shall head home. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me in these videos. Although I'm on a solo tour, it doesn't feel at all that I'm alone. And see you in the next video. Until then, stay good.